Kaladon kejinglum ginong pahara Sada Police Station hakastau jog arho turi Jimbang hab ginong elam bagi dukot ke East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association kilalum habar ke Thanan Pulen Thana Road da kejing temu ban yakendo yu pulet officer betokit habai dei ba kejing kem ya sanut kirunar kiladon kiti ban sho samlah kamit jog khalpra turi Jimbang khandailan Hakani kejile tur Sardar Police Station la sha bandrung tai ginong elam association bandrung hapo phalau ban yakendo i pulen Labang kedua hang ni bagi sangut belakiam lagi pulet nasional ringkat ke jingirap ke pulet Guwahati hakabaki layu aban kemi kini kirunar kakak nai teri Jemang kebalong sisngi hadian bikini ki argut nongnya akali kila sya thombor habapan pau ke jingar tatian halor ke jinglong jingman jog jing sya kem kini ki nong thombor ke kenhon ki taxi driver association kila rai banlech police station bantokit halor ke ni kemat nakaliang jog association ki sngo ke jingka dur kemat jong kini sangut ki brio Kibala syakem, kibala peni deki pulet akak nai trek Jemang kala pelong keseng ban bu jingkeli hakabaki lakam begini kimlong setia kum kita kirunar.
Nakaliang polis department bros kata ngilak tharai sneu mau menemit bro simit aja tharai sneu lut borok nomor balai ba ngim ikop bagi kita ikar penjebi tenre da ka ba ngiyok panya pet pat mentang ling ba kini ki bro ni syam ba nakaliang polis department sisa lale ya ka badan kame lale ya ka badai te bat ka kabak khado kaban sya pada kan dele hakut ning ba kini ki ayunas tangi ki ayunas pada sya ban ong makin rung hakut makin identify kita gibro nah kilakam saja ya katahi nakliang kini ki ayuru kinang investigate bat kin sara ayu ni hakut teh kin sara ayu ni hakut lari ki kubur na kin kubur ya kata kasong be hakut nomor ini hang ni kata kinang ba kinang pun bagi susap be kada belum iki responsibility kini ni Kawai kita yang kejengti kata lah, mau pausa aja, maka kejengti Habis ni berkata hi nak yang kejengti minang ikran bagi bahagian dengan besok, ting bahagian besok minang don nak kejengti ikran, markum juru nak yang kejengti kasian ni dawa hok bisa bagi dibersih. But kamdai pada ru tamak siu kebai luksan pada kaki sekenjam no. Ya kebai luksan leleng nginbu be mat bagi dibersih, kamdai pada tamak siu kebai luksan bansi compromise apa. Kata kedai tepong
Susu Presiden kehnya Utrap National Youth Movement ba Louis Dotong wala senran lang kinongnya taksi ulaya thu bagi pulit kila bu jingkeli halor jingbam syania jong keseng halor kaan ulong bagi pulit kila keli la kisania neem yaki bak jubab kalong em bat hamar kata kapor kila se ya barok kor gisla bat ki jingsoy jong ki breg wala syakem man pin shisha bakim dei ki basuthok ki pulit kila kenturu pensyania yaki bat kumju ke jing toket long ba Louis layo jingte bala penrungi ke jing ujor persa ikini sangut hapo jo southly kendon ain bekentup ru hapo section laispa nyau ke badai ke jing pen mensaw da ke jing temu ban peniam Hapadan ju kini ki dekat ke association Kim Hun Setia ke jubab jong kini ki nongelam bagila dawa mardor na ki pulen bagi deven peni dur khmat jong kini ki breu bala syakem
ngim senia wong bepet kene ksil peti ki tugi santli ki kot ki badai ba ki jing tho jing san ki tugi dekar the wong how comes this is be fake wong kamla abalong ba kini gani ke police department ke susan fake ya ketang jong jong de wong senia yang ngin la ek badan kam ngiru ngide ki breu jong ni jalan ni ya de nak ta kada long ngoda pipi mohon nakaliang jungi ngila arung itu po kemud dilaban po digiwe pat kilidar ban la ko isi
were they the main accused are they the ones involved
as per the reply given by the IPS officer who is the IO investigation officer of this case so he have given us an assurance that this is the real accused that they have caught from Guwahati last night. So we asking them why did they fled from Shillong. The answer that they given us that this person they have scared the life, and after at the same time their family members they urged them to fled from Shillong.
Are you all satisfied now?
Not 100% satisfied, but what we are good faith in police department. Maybe in this investigation officer, as per they have given us an assurance that this culprit is a genuine culprit and is a real culprit who is involved in this case. So we are good faith in them, but at the same time we had already told them that please do not give us a doubt. We are not doubting anymore to police department, but they have given us an assurance that this people is a real culprit, only that much.
And you've also mentioned court.
They will take them to the court and through the eyewitness they will
Identified.
identify. They are genuinely traumatic.
Okay. And you've also mentioned these 5 are residents of which area?
From Harijan,
Harijan colony. Yes. So at the same time, this the police have ensured us that they will get them to court immediately. But after they have sending them to court, the eyewitness have the rights to identify this accused person. But for time being, we are eager to see or to identify this accused person. But they have given us an assurance that that is not the law. The court is the court is not allow anybody who is public to identify any accused. So that's why the eyewitness is here. Only the eyewitness have the rights to identify this person in jail.
we also from the association we won't go against the court order because this contempt of court is beyond the court.
Yekwa apalat ya ka bor ka andem wa phi le em kaweru rementang kita ke eyewitness song phi kini ki argot ki bala kloy da kamot sobha ban ong ngayu i dangingi ai ngiskomo ikiti ki eyewitness ki bala kloy ram jiktien ki ong ha in dal adon mono ki eyewitness the let mo piru terwa sala dia lombo presiden tu phi ba ngang adon tu sngi ngala ban itu ikini ngala ban identify kini kinong